Minister wa ũgima wa mwĩrĩ Duale nĩ anyitanĩire na etĩkia ndini ya Ithĩramu kĩharo-inĩ gĩa Sir Ali Muslim gũkũ mũciĩ-inĩ mũnene wa Nairobi hĩndĩ ya mambura ma gũkũngũĩra thigũkũ ya Eid al-Fitr. Duale nĩ okĩrĩire atongoria a mũng'ethanĩro akiuga kwa ihinda rĩa mĩaka ĩrĩ kĩrũmanĩrĩrio atongoria aya makoretwo makĩruma President Ruto handũ ha kwendia cioneki ciao kũrĩ a Kenya. Duale orĩtie mũng'ethanĩro ũrute mahĩtia tabarĩra cia ũkũria cia thirikari kwa mũhiano arĩ waki wa nyũmba cia thogora wa thĩ mũbango wa SHA igũrũ wa ingĩ harĩa ciogoma handũ ha irumi itarĩ na njĩra.
2 years, our colleagues in the opposition went very personal against the presidency, against communities, against religions, and against the office of the presidency. He disparaged the president individually, character-wise. So he cannot have his cake and eat it. The president for a number of times told them, let us have a discussion, an agenda, critique my manifesto, critique the housing, critique the universal health coverage, critique what we are doing in agriculture, critique what we are doing in education, critique how we brought back the economy back to its feet. But they went for name calling of the president. They have given the president so many names. I mean, it was so vulgar, it was so nauseating for some of the things that the opposition, and more so Rigathi Gachagua, has been saying. They called him Kasongo, they are the ones who said he's losing weight. So when he talks about their body, why is it becoming a problem? And I think from a health point of view, Kenyans must do more walking. Kenyans most of the diseases of today, the non-communicable